thought it was all behind me, that I could start my life over again. But it turns out you can't just kill a demon like that. Welcome back, bitch. Did you miss me, friend? Get out! You're dead! The dead are those who have ceased to desire.
You are both our creation, and we have come to take back what is ours. Your blood is the key. She belongs to our cult.
No one will touch her except me.